Hello all, welcome to our channel. This is a regarding for how to create your business profile on Grotal. Same like how to create on your Google My Business. Same like that, one of the Indian portal will be using for here. The option name is called Grotal. First of all, click for login here. In a login time, first of all, create your new account. Compulsory, what is your domain name will be here that you will be using for your particular option. So enter details we can write will be here. What is your profile will be here. So this Grotal will be helping for your business or not. 100% helping for your business is the same like a Google My Business, how to use, same like your Grotal. So we can use your service here. I'm changing for country code, not possible. This is only for Indian Grotal business profile. So after that, writing your password will be here. So I'm creating here account. Sir, account creation, it take the charges on your Grotal. The nothing charges will be here. So that is the main important. So we can check with them where you can sending this OTP is the mobile number. Compulsory Grotal you can log in for mobile number. The compulsory required will be OTP. Just I'm adding OTP here. So account will be activated properly will be here. Just you can receive the confirmation will be Grotal email account confirmation will be you can use your particular phone number. But email confirmation, phone OTP, whatever you can getting for here it is called. How you can show will be G team. The email will be called G team option will be here. Grotal, we can create classifieds also. Everything will be possible will be here. Same like how we can creating for Locento ads will be here. Same like in using for Grotal also. Coming to this business, first of all, paid or free. Select city, area, category, title, address, contact person, phone number, email ID, description, keyword, and website. So what is called? Each keyword you can promoting for number of business profile. Once profile will created, one keyword, weekly once or weekly twice, thrice, this will be very effective keyword on the Google search results also. Is nothing but business listing is more powerful compared to the all kind of keywords. So here I'm selecting this one that is called we can call will be here that is will be in this. I'm creating one is option go to blocks. This is the I'm selecting one keyword. Select first of all city. Which city will be most used for here? Hyderabad. We can selecting area will be here. I'm selecting will be this is called Nizampet. Category AC dealer, everything will be. So you will be CCTV dealers. So we can check will be here. So we can useful career services, contractor, consultant, computer repair training institute, cell phone, catering course. Suppose is not there, right? You can go to the business enterprises. This is a keyword. What is the address will be here? Writing will address. All the mobile number fix, email ID fix. What you can writing will be in your description. Copy, description, same keyword. Final one is called website link. Here three benefits. Keyword building, calls will generate website clicks. Three in one platform is called Grotal. Click for submit. Any is one mistake. I want website on Grotal. Click view for demo. I want website with my own domain. This will be. Grotal will creating for free website also. Click for submit. Phone number, you have two phone number, add by two phone numbers. Address. Here one option will be there. So this listing will be free. What is the difference will be free and paid? Paid nothing but they will promote will be in Gotel interlinking websites, not for out of the Gotel. Free nothing but is a free business listing. So in a business listing, how many keywords support? N number of keyword. But main keyword you have to submit it in Grotal. That is the main here. Click for submit. So please remove the special character in this keywords. Where see this. This I am discussing the SEO time. Don't use any special character in the particular title description in the keyword time. So this will be here. Congrats, your business successful listed Grotal. Within one working day, your information will be audited. So immediate approval is not done by Grotal. Everything will be review on the Grotal. The confirmation mail received by in your particular email itself. Or you can check will be here. So any assistant, please call to the particular here. First option. And it is the here. This is your dashboard. Business listing will be done. When you click here, this is the business listing. So how many business you can create? N number. Dashboard. Here, any business we have to check will be here. This is the option. Where? Search is the our option. PG, education, rental, property for sale, classified ads, my profile. Now classified ads. Same like that. You can log in your details. Login. Classifieds. Everything. Accept. First of all, category. We can use this options. City Hyderabad. Title of the. So why I'm using for main keyword is called Hyderabad. Each website which is our main keyword that you can target with the location wise. First to target the main keyword. Next will be into the proper description. Description they support only for 250 characters, not more than characters. You say about that they are accepting for 5,000 characters, not that. Short and sweet title and description is important in the classifieds. The simple, right? Don't more than 100, 2,000 characters not required. Nobody can read this much of characters. Simple. What is the solution? What is your brands? Done your task. And your contact number. And everything will be here. I'm looking for free. Here is selecting for your location. Location will be here. Tamil Nadu. This will be Telangana. Start date, end date. This will be accepting how many days? 100 days. Number of states? 1. Everything will be here. Now click for save. Ad will be start from tomorrow and create another ad. Please click here. We will be here. Is it clear? One is called Grotal will be two main purpose. One is a business profile. Second will be classifieds. If a rental house, PG hostels, anyone, we can promote this Grotal website also. Is the India website. So entire India we can promote anywhere itself. That is, we can should be promote will be here. So based on the website, take the keyword, promote with using option name is called Grotal. This is the main option. Same like how we can use the other countries will be Patch, Help, Suleika, Just Dial, everything same like that. You can go to the this particular option. Same like we create this a number of business profiles are there. Suleika will be there, Just Dial is there, Yellow Page is there. Everything you can create the business profile. Just you can create the previous profile, the phone number, and we can use the particular option. These are nothing but business listing websites. So that is one of the website name is called Grotal. For the purpose of two things, you will be here. You can check this. The ad will be show you a particular option. Sir, how to check the my ad? Already I am discussed. After login, go to dashboard. Any ad is activate. When click search option, it will show like this. The ad will be done. Click here. Still is in the review option. This will be activated. See this. Is it clear? This is nothing but ad will be created will be here. When clear ad, can changing will be anytime will be here. So that is the main option we can use will be here. Update also will be possible. Each ad will be here. So that is the mainly follow your condition on particular Grotal website. If any further issues, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supporting. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.